writing down this poetry until the day I die.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming how I keep my Instagram feed cohesive and how I edit my Instagram photos. And just before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, let's get started. So for my Instagram feed, there's a few apps that you will need for my personal Instagram feed. These are the apps that I use to edit my Instagram photos. And I don't necessarily use them all, but I do use a lot of them frequently. So if we look at my Instagram feed, it's a bit like airy fairy kind of thing lately. I'm now incorporating some purples into it, but it was mainly like blues because I had blue hair. But I'm trying to keep this all nice and together. I think that it will look really nice once it like everything lines up. See how when I was doing photo shoots, I would do them all in a line. So this was a feed that I had. Every photo shoot has a different vibe, so I thought that this was cute. But if you go far back in the day, it's not even right now, but it used to be evenly straight lines and different block things with different vibe. But I'm trying to currently keep a nice cohesive Instagram. I just took some selfies. These are like on my bed selfies. I try and stick to wearing white and using natural colored makeup because that's what feed on my Instagram. So I always wear these earrings all the time because, you know, I love bubble tea, and try and keep the background and stuff to like browns and whites fit my vibe. So we're going to go through the photos. I take a whole lot of photos all the time, as you can tell. So I'll just go through the photos, and I like that. So I'll leave a heart on it. That's cute. Do you like the white background a bit better? So with these, then I will go through and I will delete the ones that I don't want. Delete all the ones without hearts. These ones are not a vibe. So now I have all the photos that I do like. I will go through and I'll start with airbrush. So I don't Photoshop my photos. I merely enhance my photos. This is going to be our display photo. So I'll just go through and I will usually auto the acne, but sometimes I want to keep my freckles, but they don't really need to be there for this. So boom, I'll click acne on airbrush and it gets rid of it. I'll even use acne and go up to my eye and like take my time and try and get rid of my dark circles. Like just like I have a dark line, as you can see right here. I just try and minimize that to my best of my ability. It's not looking too good. And then I will grab the smooth tool. So smooth is like the main thing that you can tell if someone's like really Photoshop their photos, or they use reshape, which I don't actually do. I don't reshape anything. So I'm just gonna try and clear up that line that I just bodged up underneath my eye. I'll go back before, like I'm just showing you how I edit them. It usually takes longer than this. I spend more time on it. I'll go back and the ones that I'll actually post will be edited the same way, just more time. I will then go into Prequel, which is my favorite app because I love sparkles, and I will go into my camera roll, and then I will go into FX. I will go on to disco and then number 2. My intensity is MAC. I can change the intensity to see where it puts all the sparkles. Filter, I'll adjust the filter to see how dreamy I want it to look, like that. Save it to my camera roll, and then I'll go onto the app preview. I will add my latest photo. I usually do multiple at a time, and then I will just like spend some time, take some time to figure out the order I want it in before I post them. Those are my key apps that I use to edit my photos, make them the best that they can be, make sure my feed is nice and coherent and fitting the vibe that I'm getting. If it doesn't fit the vibe slightly changes, like how it went from more blues because I had the blue front strands in my hair, and now it's like more purples because I wanted to post the photo of the sunrise. It's just a way to keep them all kind of near each other. If you want me to do a video on how I do like at-home budget photo shoot, how I pose and how to do posing, I'm not a professional obviously, but how I do all of that, just let me know down in the comment section. Leave a like on this video and I can do that for you. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. I'll see y'all later. Bye!
Yeah. Oh, tell me I'll be better. we were just kids sneaking into Coachella. Oh, oh, tell me I'll be better. Always been a joker, like you know I'm here.